Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable sound effects over the Steps app. So in order to disable sound effects, what you need to do is open the app just like this, and basically once you have done that, head over to the bottom left corner of your screen at that settings icon, head over into general right here, and then right here you will find sounds, and this switch you simply need to disable, and then you will not receive any sound effects within the within the Steps app. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.